Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, it's me Ulfa Nur Aziza. I will answer question about pronunciation. And number one, explain based on your opinion why we need to learn pronunciation. Pronunciation is important. You will sound more natural and learn to speak English more quickly. It will help you listen to English better because you will learn to identify and recognize the sound that other people are making. Number two, explain the definition of vowel, long vowel and short vowel, and give the example. Long vowel sound happen when the letter make the actual sound of the letter. For example, when the letter A sound like the letter A. Short vowel sound happen when a letter in a word is not pronounced the way the letter sound. For example, the letter U in the word book makes an ah sound. Number three, explain the definition of diphthong and give the example. The word diphthong comes from the Greek and means to voice or to sound in phonetic. A diphthong is a vowel in which there is a noticeable sound change within the same syllable. A single or simple vowel is known as a monophthong. The process of moving from one vowel sound to another is called gliding, which is why another name for a diphthong is a gliding vowel, but they are as known as compound vowel, complex vowel, or moving vowel. The sound change that turn a single vowel into a diphthong is called diphthongization. Number four, explain based on your opinion why we need to spell the words correctly. Because spelling because spelling is important for citizen communication. Spelling is a critical component of communication. Literacy, spelling, and reading skill are closely related and help develop overall literacy. Employment. Spelling quality has a direct impact on employment opportunities. Number five, explain the definition of homonym and give the example. At least five examples. Homonyms broadly defined and words which are homographs, words that share the same spelling regardless of pronunciation, or homophones, words that share the same pronunciation regardless of spelling, or both. For example, to this definition, the words raw, proper, with ors, raw argument, and raw, a linear arrangement, are homonyms, as are the words sea, vision, and sea, body of water. And an example an homonym example: one, address to speak to or location, air, oxygen, or a lilting tune, arm, body part, or division of a company, band, a musical group, or a ring, bark, a tree outlier, or the sound a dog makes. Bat, an implement used to hit a ball. Bat, an implement used to hit a ball, or a nocturnal flying mammal. 6. Number 6. Explain the definition of homophone and give the example. At least 3 examples. A homophone can be defined as a word that, when pronounced, seems similar to another word, but has a different spelling and meaning. For example, the words beer and bar are similar in pronunciation but are different in spelling as well as in meaning. Some common examples of homophones, including the words used in a sentence, are brake or brake. When teaching my daughter how to drive, I taught her if she didn't hit the brake in time, she would break the car side mirror. Sell or sell, kill or sell. If you sell drugs, you will get arrested and end up in prison cell. Saint and Shen. I once spent 1 yen and on a bottle of perfume until I know that I loved the scent. Day and D. If you decently drank a bottle of fabric day, you make day. Flour or flour. To bake a shaped cake, you'll need some flour. 7. Explain the definition of homograph and give the example. At least 3 examples. Homograph are words that are spelled the same but have different meaning. For example, the word prison in English can either be a noun, in which it is a gift, a verb, in which it means to offer, or an adjective, in which it means something is in a certain place. There are numerous examples of homographs in English. Here is a short list: just, there, like, later, life, match, second, minute. The following sentence involve homograph examples in which there are two meanings of a word that is written the same way. When shot at the dove into the buses, I didn't object to the object. The insurance was invalid for the invalid. There was a row among the oarsmen about how to row. That's the answer for me. If something is wrong, please correct it, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.